Here is a quick overview of how you could have your students use the Ohm's Law with Prediction Lab. When they open up the program, they will have a resistor where they will be able to change the resistance by clicking on the different stripes. They will get a current reading coming out of the battery, and this is an idealized battery where the voltage has been hidden. The student should collect data based on the resistance of the resistor and the current through the circuit. I would suggest between 5 and 10 different values. Notice if your resistance gets too small that the current meter will adjust itself automatically. So you want to make sure that the students realize that they have to be careful when recording their current. Okay? When they are done and they've collected all their data, they want to create a graph of current in amps. So even though they collected in milliamps, they should graph it in amps versus the resistance of the resistor. They will then get an equation that relates current and resistance, and this is going to be Ohm's Law, so the graph constant at the top should be the voltage of their battery. Okay, once they are done and they've made their graph and they've got their equation, they should come back to where it says finished. They should put in their name. They should put in their graph constant, which is the voltage of the battery. They should then do a calculation based on the formula that they had to predict the current for a certain resistor they did not test, and then figure out a resistor that would be needed to create a current that they did not measure. So we want to make sure that they can apply the model that they've developed to make predictions on things they did not measure. Okay, I hope this helped.